Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. This is a tutorial on this very dramatic eye look, so if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment if you want, or just give me any feedback on what I should do for the next video. So just a heads up, I'm going to be inserting the name of the shades that I'll be using along with the palette it's in, and I'm also going to be showing you guys the actual shade just so you guys can have a visual of it. And if you're following along while you're doing your own makeup, it's a lot easier to have the name of the shade in front of you. That's what I think. So if you guys find this helpful, please let me know and I'll do it for the rest of my future videos. So I just picked up the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I just went in with the shade Eden and Blazing, and I'm just placing that all over into my crease. And the next shade I'm going to be picking up is Amber. It's like a very warm brown shade, so I'm just laying that on top of the Eden and Blazing shade. And as always, I did prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So since I wanted this look to be a lot more purpley, I just went ahead and laid the amethyst shade from the Desert Dusk palette all over the shades before that. So if you guys haven't caught on to it, my eye looks, I like to kind of work my way up to the color and the pigment that I want, and I think that's just the most effective way to work with eyeshadows. So yeah, that's just a little tip I have for you guys. Start really light and then gradually build. And then I'm just going to start cutting my crease kind of in like a half cut crease type of look. I'm not completely carving my crease out, so just think of it as like a half cut crease look. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, no surprises there. If you haven't tried this concealer out for cut creases, definitely try it out. It's a lot more easier to work with and move around. On the inner portion of my eye, I'm just going to take Twilight. It's like a very iridescent purpley bluish pinkish shade, and this doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to be applying glitter on top of that anyway. So the next palette I'm going to be taking is the Morphe 35C palette, and I'm just taking those two, it's like a magenta shade and the purple shade, and I'm just going to be alternating between the two and laying those layers on top until I'm satisfied with the pigmentation. And for eyeliner, as always, I'm going to be using Inglot Gel Liner, and the number is 77. It's just their standard black eyeliner, nothing special, but it is the darkest eyeliner I've ever tried or used, so it's my favorite. So with the black eyeliner, I'm going to start kind of bringing it up into my crease, and I'm not going to follow the natural crease of my eyes, but I'm just going to go a little bit outside of where the actual crease is, if that makes any sense, and start kind of feathering that eyeliner up into the shadows. And taking my Anastasia Prism palette, I'm going to take Obsidian. It's just a typical black shade, but I think this is really nice and really pigmented, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I'm just applying it where we applied gel liner basically, and feathering that out the same way we feathered out the gel liner. So for this look, I'm going to be using two different glitters, and the first one I'm going to be taking is this glitter called SHIMMERSTAR. It's from glittermyworld.com. It's where I've been getting all my glitters lately, just because they're so cheap and affordable, and they're for your eyes, so it's completely safe. And I'm taking my trusty Too Faced Shadow Insurance glitter glue, and with a small brush, I think this is from BH Cosmetics, I don't know the name or the number, it kind of like wore off over time, but just take any small brush and apply the glue where we applied all the purple shades. So for the inner part, nothing too crazy. I'm taking the Stila Cosmetics Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust, and just doing the same technique but without the glitter glue. And I brought that a little bit over the purple shade just to give it a more blended effect. You don't have to do this, but I thought it just pulled the whole look together. For lashes, I'm taking these Lasfully Yours lashes, that's a mouthful, these Lasfully Yours lashes in the style Cher, and I just applied them off camera, and I did my foundation off camera as well. So now I'm just taking those purple shades and starting to just give the bottom of my lower lash line some dimension and to match our lids. And lastly, some mascara. I'm just using this Black Magic mascara from Eyeko. This used to be my #1 favorite, and I forgot how much I loved it, so that's why I'm using it again for this tutorial. So to kind of add more drama to my lower lash line, I'm just going to be taking this House of Lashes glue and applying just a little dot where I want to place my rhinestones, and I'm just gonna use these pink rhinestones I bought from a Michael's craft store. So that's the completed look. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys learned something new. Please tag me in your recreations. I'd love to see how you guys put your own twist to it. It'll even be cool if one of you did like the green or blue version of this. That would look so amazing. But anyway, I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section or even DM me privately on Instagram. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, so I guess I'll just catch you guys in my next video.